This cocktail requires a reverse dry shake, so you'll need 2 fresh cocktail shakers. In the first shaker, fill it with ice, then pour in 2 ounces of mezcal, 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice, and 1 ounce of jalapeno simple syrup, and shake this until well chilled. Then strain into the second cocktail shaker with no ice. Add a fresh egg white and 3 dashes of orange bitters, and dry shake without the ice to emulsify the cocktail and build the cocktail foam. Now pour this into your chilled cocktail glass, and you're ready to garnish with some jalapeno pepper slices, and enjoy the Jalapeño Mezcal Sour, created and brought to you by MartiniDiva.com.